Alongside the in-depth tutorial videos, I'll also be sharing more compact creative experiments like this one, with a focus on letting the actual film take centre stage. At the end, I'll walk you through the AI tools I used, just a few thoughts on the testing process behind this project, and a quick overview of what powered it: text, image, video, voice, sound, music. Lights on, let's roll.
(1862). A story of the old Wild West, of brave hearts and lives gone by.
Started with a soldier in 1862, leading men through ruins in a coat of Union blue. We flew a drone above him, saw the ice and stone ahead, but something in his posture said this story ain't quite dead. We raised the flag behind him, stars and stripes still standing tall. Then out of nowhere came a light that seemed to change it all. A metal beast stood gleaming where the sledges used to run, and through the blizzard silence came a tale that's just begun. Wasn't that a wild ride from the ice into the fire? From black and white to neon nights, through memory and wire. One man, one chair, one flash of pride, through time and space and countryside. Wasn't that a wild ride? Now he's older, porch is creaking, newspaper in hand. The headline shows his younger face, three strangers in the sand. Behind him stands a pickup truck with something bold and strange, a cannon made of memories too stubborn now to change. He drives into the sunlight in his suit of black and chrome. The roads are lined with questions, but he's never felt more home. Then suddenly the pixels shake, the desert fades away. A kid holds tight the joystick in a bedroom far away. Wasn't that a wild ride from the ice into the fire? From black and white to neon nights, through memory and wire. One man, one dream, one pulse inside a universe he couldn't hide. Wasn't that a wild ride?
Hope you enjoyed the ride. Let me quickly show you which AI platforms I used to bring this video project to life. But first, a quick detour. Working with AI video tools is always a balancing act. I try to push every scene to the limit, but even with refined prompts and high generation costs, results can still fall short. This video is called Nano Banana to video. To make the intro work, using those three quirky images of me in a potato sack and that handcrafted yellow thing, I combined Midjourney video, bottom left, Kling 2.1, top left, Seedance Pro, top right, and One 2.2, bottom right. Both Seedance Pro and One 2.2 were run through the AI platform. Let's start with the scene where a horse seems oddly drawn to the guy in the potato sack. The original prompt said, "A horse walks up to the person and nibbles on the plastic bucket." The result? Surprisingly cheerful. In the next one, I put on a potato sack spacesuit with a handmade plastic helmet and took a little walk on the moon. Prompt: point to your ear with your left hand to signal, "I can't hear you." And finally, action. A pirate in a potato sack and an improvised pirate hat stands on a ship in the middle of a storm. The sea turns rough and waves keep pushing the vessel under. Not exactly smooth sailing. Which result looks best? That's up to you. Personally, without using the start end frame feature, I ended up mixing 3 platforms: Seedance Pro, Kling 2.1, and One 2.2. Once again, it shows, if you only stick to one tool, you might miss the strongest results hiding somewhere else. And now, as promised, the project chart for this music video. Here's the full list of AI tools, platforms, and software I used. Texts and prompt tuning, ChatGPT. Images, Midjourney. Edited images, Nano Banana. Videos, Kling 2.1. Lip sync, Runway Act-Two. Lyrics, ChatGPT. Music, Suno. Sounds, ElevenLabs, plus licensed sound effects and ambience from Envato. Post-production, Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects. Thumbnail, Adobe Photoshop. Hope this brought a little smile to your face. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for listening. See you soon. Your channel, AI, Now You Know.